Hi guys, this video is about the new headlight, LED headlight to my 2006 Ford F-150. The brand is 4x4FLSTC. Let me open the box. This. All right, pretty big. There's another one. Okay, so here is a first light came in. The 4x4FLSTC is on the left driver's side. On the right is the stock light, Ford F-150 2006. So obviously I like the left better. It has a cutoff light. The right side doesn't have any cutoff. So you see a little blurry cutoff on top of talking about on the right hand side, the manufacturer Ford manufacturer light. That little cutoff light is not from the right light, but it's actually from the left light. Let me go out there and see if I can cover up the left side. So the right hand side is okay here, right? Like that. On the right hand side is a manufacturer light, and here let me cover the light on the right so you can see the left. Now the right side completely covered. The left side, driver's side, is the 4x4FLSTC. Okay. That's the aftermarket. Okay, here is a final product how it looks like. Let me show you how do I adjust the I mean not how do I, but the adjuster bolt on this headlight right here. See that little bolt right in the middle of the light right there. I tried using the a 1/4 inch ratchet and 10mm fit perfect, but then you have to put the head of the ratchet right in that slot in there, and I'm doing it at night right now, and I hate sometimes I don't have a hand to use a flashlight, so I rather use a long screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver long enough that I can extend all the way out here, and I can adjust it out here easier right there. Same on the other side too. I noticed that when I turn on the headlight, the little corner light doesn't turn on until I turn on the signal, the tone signal. Then the little corner light turn on. But then when I turn off the signal, it turn off after a couple of seconds, 5-10 seconds. So the engineering put their thought into it. It turn on. You turn on the signal, the corner light turn on for you to turn, and then before you complete the turn, the signal light turn off, but the corner light still stay on for you to complete the turn. After 5 or 10 seconds, then it turn off. What a thought. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright guys, roll test time. Let me turn off the light so you can see the difference. First of all, light off, right middle of dark road, some street light, but it's still dark. Parking light come on, low beam come on. Okay, like it or not, let me know. I'm gonna signal left to turn left right then, so pay attention to the corner light that I mentioned before. Signal, see, beside the signal flashing right now, the light, the little projector light in the corner is on right now. I'm gonna turn off the signal soon and see how long does it stay on before I turn off by itself. Okay, now I'm turning left right here, and I'll turn the camera a little bit to the left. See the flashing light still flashing right now. Flashlight off right now. The corner light still there. Turn off. Okay. Again, I'm gonna turn off the light. Parking light on. Low beam on. Okay, I'm turning into a little small street right here, and I like to use this street to test my light. Always do that. This street is very dark. Right here, there you go. See? I don't know how about you guys, but I like to drive in the dark and then turn on my beautiful light. Especially when I drive in the desert. I love to do that. Don't get me wrong, I hate to turn on high beam. I rarely, or I can even say almost never turn on high beam when it's not needed to. This road going further all the way up there, up the hill, but I'm not gonna go up there because it's dark up there. Nice, turn on the light, and you're in the dark, looking out on the street, and your light is really bright. But the purpose is for testing the light, also the level of the light too. Cut off here and there, this and that. Going up and down the hill too much won't help. So I'm turning around, going down the hill right now, and we're gonna go a little long way on the flat surface, so we can look at the light more carefully. Now, okay, don't pay attention to the level because road going down. This is a steep slope, so you can't even tell, but I like it. It looks even better in real life than in the video. I'm going to turn on high beam. There you go. Okay, I'm turning on signal light to turn right. You see it's really bright on the corner on the right here. Now, signal light turn off. Let's see how long does it take for the corner light to the right to turn off. About 3 seconds now, 4 seconds now. 5 now. It really helps. Look at this. There you go. It turned off by itself. High beam. Okay. See, I'm looking at my light adjustment again on the right hand side. See, on the right hand side against the wall, the angle kind of coming down a little bit. I think I'm happy with it. If I get flash once or twice, I will adjust that a little more, but definitely I'm not gonna go